Hello, friends. Welcome to the Learner Spot by Choosy. I'm very excited to be with y'all again. Today, I'm going to discuss a topic which reminded me of my childhood books. Who does not remember their parents or grandparents reading out Aesop's fables? I personally used to love them and always waited for the moral of the story in the end. Though I began to understand the true wisdom of those sayings later in life, and now I, as a grandmother, am trying to pass on this wisdom to my grandchildren and students. We have many popular idioms, proverbs, and adages. Now, idioms are expressions that don't exactly mean what the words say. They cannot be understood merely by knowing the individual meanings of their elements. I have already covered the topic of idioms in my earlier videos. Today, I'll talk about proverbs and adages. A proverb is a statement of wisdom expressed in a practical way. An adage is a well-known proverb used for a long time. They are old familiar sayings that express wisdom. They state something that is believed to be true by most people. They have been passed on through generations. Take, for example, a watched pot never boils. It is not literal in meaning at all. Scientifically, a pot on the fire has nothing to do with anyone watching. It will boil in its own time. It is just a poetic way of saying that time seems to drag endlessly when you're waiting for something to happen, especially if it's urgent. I was waiting for my board results to be announced. It seemed like hours had passed, but when I checked my watch, only 10 minutes had gone by. It is true that a watched pot never boils. Better safe than sorry. Prevention is better than cure. A stitch in time saves 9. Look before you leap. All these have similar applications. Take measures before something happens rather than wait for it before doing something. Don't judge a book by its cover. That is, don't pass judgment according to what you see. Looks can be deceptive. There are some self-explanatory ones like nothing ventured, nothing gained. Curiosity killed the cat. What you don't know cannot harm you. Practice makes perfect. Stop and smell the roses. 2 heads are better than one. Now, too many cooks can spoil the broth is when there are too many people taking the lead and offering opinions. It leads to confusion and bad results. He who hesitates is lost. You have to take strong, brave decisions if you want to succeed. All good things come to an end. If you can't beat them, join them. Now, these sayings are very useful when you are writing essays or paragraphs. Using them in introductory paragraphs sets a right note for the whole essay and makes a good first impression. You just have to use one which is right or correct for your topic. For example, if you're writing on unity or working together, you can say, many hands make light work, or a chain is as strong as its weakest link, which means that if one member of a team doesn't work well, the whole team will fail. Or, no man is an island. That is, no man can live completely independently. Everyone needs help from other people. Similarly, if your topic is education or teaching, you can say, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink, which means that you can teach someone, but it is up to the person to learn. We can also say you're never too old to learn, or you cannot teach an old dog new tricks. The best thing in life is free. If you're writing about dreams, success, hard work, you can say, don't count your chickens before they hatch. If you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. Hope for the best but prepare for the worst. Honesty is the best policy. Better late than never. Beggars can't be choosers, that is if you're asking for a favor. Actions speak louder than words. A penny saved is a penny earned. A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. We have another popular one here. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A person who does not settle in one place will not accumulate wealth or responsibilities or commitments. Now, people always say one door shuts, another opens. My parents used to always tell me the early bird catches the worm. You should wake up and start early if you want to be successful. because the early bird catches the worm. Birds of a feather flock together. People like to spend time with others who have the same interests. And another one in contrast to this is opposites attract. Now, two wrongs do not make a right. When someone does something bad to you, trying to get revenge will make things worse. And as my grandmother used to always say, revenge is like biting a dog because a dog bit you. The pen is mightier than the sword. While trying to convince someone, words are more effective than trying to force people to do what you want. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Act the way that the people around you are acting, especially when you're traveling abroad, or you will stand out like a sore thumb. A squeaky wheel gets greased. You can get better service if you complain about it. If you wait patiently, no one is going to serve you. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Strong people do not give up when they come across challenges. They just work harder. I hope the next time you write about something, any topic, whether in school or otherwise, you will remember these proverbs, idioms, and adages and use them to make your writing more impressive, effective, and creative. If you loved this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to know more about this topic, I still have many in my treasure trove. Just write in the comments below. Bye for now. Thank you. Hope to meet you soon.